translation?
Or walia, literally it's would it be good with you? But that's the way you say would you like.
Oh, so our,
Or walia.
ours would.
Yeah, ours would be with you.
Good with you.
Yeah, if you want it literally. Okay. So back to our main sentence then, the reason we've been doing all this, okay? Vishe alahur teresha hoch. So it was 8:30. So we were talking about what time is it, kentame, and you say pashe alahur teresha hoch. It is 8:30. In this sentence, vishe alahur teresha hoch. It was 8:30. Agus and vikuig nomed ege. He had 5 minutes. Vikuig nomed ege. He had 5 minutes. Hun and dart to oil, and order the dart to catch the dart, to get the dart. Okay?
And the dart's a train?
Yeah, the dart's the train. Okay? So, well, let's break this up. So, Visha lahur teresha hoch.
Vishe lahur teresha hoch.
Agus vikuig nomed ege.
Agus vikuig nomed ege.
Hun and dart to oil.
Hun and dart to oil.
Okay? Let's see. Okay, we'll go through the next one since we don't have a lot of explanation. We'll just go through it. Via hach chankil, shias and bocher on station, ach an wagen show, vi schnachte agus lakair gachaich. Okay, so first I will break it up. Via hach chankil, so his house was on Shankill. Okay, so a hach is his house. Someone mind doing that? Okay. A hach is his house. V a hach, his house was. Aaron Shankill is the way you would say on Shankill, or Shankill is 2 words in Irish. Kill is a church. Shankill is an old church. Okay? And the combination Aaron sticks that T in there. Aaron Shankill. Okay? So his house was in Shankill, okay? Shees and Boher is down the road. Shees means down, and Boher is the road. So Shees and Boher down the road. On is from the. So it's a combination of the word o meaning from plus on meaning the. It becomes on and on station from the station. Okay? Ah
What did on mean again?
means from the. It's o meaning from plus the meaning the on meaning the. Okay? She's and Boher down the road on station from the station. But an wagen show this morning. Imagine is morning. An wagen the morning. An wagen show this morning. Vishnachte, there was snow. I guess lack ire is ice. Okay? Yeah, lack ire is kind of sheet ice. Okay? It's ice. Gach oich is everywhere. Every place. The word gach means every, oich is place.
Or is that where it says that other for that?
Ire. So lack ire is ice. Okay? The idea being kind of spread out, a big block of ice on the ground, okay? The word ice by itself, ire is ice, black ire is ice kind of spread out on the road or such. Okay? So, let's go through this one. Vi a hach chankil. Shias and Boher. On station. Ach an wagen show. Vi schnachte. Agus lack ire. Gachaich. So one more time. Vi a hach an chankil. Shias and Boher on station. Ach an wagen show. Vi schnachte agus lack ire gachaich. Okay, I guess Biach sauce again in so let's have a break.